I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group, reporting on the livestock market. Cattle today was a mixed bag. Somewhat, the market had no real fundamental news to give it any direction. It really is holding the futures to kind of a standstill. Last week's sell-off really found the market, really kind of like falling off the edge, and it didn't bring in a new wave of selling, and so the market has kind of like been treading water for the last couple of days. Seasonally, this is a time where we would normally expect the market to rally or get a little bit more demand. That kind of hasn't come yet, but the U.S. dollar index dropping is offering a little bit of help and a little bit of support in the market. The feeders were also up. The futures really did find some buying because the outlook for demand is a lot better, and certainly with this sell-off of the U.S. dollar index definitely is going to help. There's been like a little bit of optimistic expectations for some increased exports as well, normally at this time, so that should give the market a little bit of a boost. Certainly it stopped the selling, and now we're kind of gaining some equilibrium. On the hog side, the hogs are rebounded after the last 2 days, a big fall. The market was vulnerable to a correction, and I feel like we had it. Pork prices did firm back up, so the market is back up again. Demand is still good. The market, has, just had that contraction a little bit, but overall, pork prices are strong, and the hog market still looks very good at this point. So it's holding its own right now. We're going to watch closely. I expect that we could have a little bit more of a choppy market. The USDA really came out with its grain report today. That maybe had a little bit of an overflow into the livestock market, but next week I expect that we could see a lot more demands coming in, and if demand comes in and we get our increased exports, we could see all the markets in livestock to really start to rally. So we're going to watch for that closely. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.